Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm here to do another tutorial on Stitch Express. So, the next tutorial I'm going to show you is how to remove the background image inside of Stitch Express. So, what we're going to do is we're going to open right now. I'm going to look for an image on my computer and see what they have here. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I have to, let me just click Homes and click a new page. And now I'm gonna click on Auto Digitizer. And now I'm gonna go look for an image. And I'm gonna go with this one. I'll click Open. So it has 15 colors, so it's gonna take a while for it to transfer, process. Okay, so there it is. So you have the option of choosing based on the type of material you use or the fabric you use. If you're using cap, it would, you know, process it to convert to a cap, or if you want to use towels, it would adjust it to do for a towel. So you could do that in Stitch Express. It's taking so long. Okay, so but I'm gonna leave it to normal. And then we're gonna go next. And here, this is your option to remove the background. So what you do is you're gonna click on isolation. Okay, let me just click here. So it could come on and click on isolation. So right now you don't see anything. So I will just keep clicking till I see something that looks like a background to remove it. You see the image over there. You see the arm over there. So this looks like it will be part of the background, and I'm gonna click X. Okay, and I'm just gonna keep going through them till I see something that looks like a background. Going. This also look like a background, so I'm gonna click X. Okay, and I'm gonna keep going. This also look like a background, so I'm gonna click X. Think I passed it. Okay, this is also the part of the background, so I'm gonna click X, and then I'm done. And now I'm gonna click next, and I'm gonna click next again. And this is what it's gonna look like after it's done, embroidery. So I'm gonna click finish. So now you just see me remove the background. Super easy to remove it in Stitch express. All right, bye for now.